Okay, so the second one is a scientist believes that there are 396 small parakeets and 305 large parakeets, and 305 large parakeets in a particular part of the rainforest. What is the total parakeet population there? So you have to add 396 and 305. Got it? So let's just add 396 and 305. So we always start adding from the ones digit. So just add 306 and 305 and 396. So just add 305 and 396. Got it? So 5 plus 6 is 11. You have to write 1 over here and carry the 1. Now you have to add the 10 digits. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Write 0 over here and carry 1. So it would be 3 plus 3, 6 and 1, 7. So 305 and 396 is 701. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is a treasure hunter discovered a buried treasure chest. He opened it up and discovered that it contained 201 diamonds and 414 rubies. How many gems were in the chest? Got it? So you have to add both the rubies and uh, the other one is diamonds. Just add the number of rubies and diamonds. Rubies are 414 and diamonds are 201. So just add 201 and 201 and 414. Got it? 201 and 414. So always start adding from the ones digit. So 4 plus 1 is 5, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 4 plus 2 is, oh, very good, it's 6. So it would be 615. Got it? So it is 615. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is Julie works in the kitchen of a Mexican restaurant. Over the weekend, she washed 405 small plates and 208 large plates. How many plates did she wash over the weekend? So you have to add 405 and 208 for the total. Got it? 405 and 208. 405 and 208. Always start adding from the ones digit. So 8 plus 5 is 13. Write the ones digit over here and carry the tens. So 0 plus 1 is 1 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So it would be 613. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is when Abby went to bed, there was 332 gulls on the lake. The night, a flock of 364 geese joined them. How many birds were on the lake when Abby woke up? So you have to add them 332 and 364. Got it? 323 and 364. Just add them. Start adding from the ones digit. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 3 plus 3 is 6. Got it? So it would be 687. So you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. The next topic is complete the addition sentences up to 3 digits. Just click on the back button and move on to the next topic. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday. Got it? Okay, the next topic is complete the addition sentence up to 3 digits. Okay, so here now in this case, let me write down the lesson name. You are given one of the number the sum or either one of the number, you have to find the missing number. The topic is complete the addition sentence up to three digits. Okay, let's start with an example. So the first example is find the missing number. You have 844 and the missing number, their sum of the missing number and 844 is 946. Got it? You have to decide what you have to add in 844 so that you can, the answer is 946. Got it? So that for the one, you have to subtract the given number out of the sum. Got it? You need to subtract 844 out of the 946. Got it? This way you can find the number that is missing. You have to subtract the given number from the sum. Got it? So 6 subtract 4 is 2, 4 subtract 4 is 0, and 9 subtract 8 is 1. It would be 102. Got it? See, look, when you add them, 4 plus 2 is 6, 4 plus 0 is 4, and 8 plus 1 is 9. That means if you add 102 to 844, it would be 946. Got it? Okay, let's do another example. Okay, the next one is, you have a missing number plus 110, and the sum of both the numbers is 981. So you are given the sum and one of the number, so subtract the given number out of the sum. Got it? That's how you find the missing number. Got it? Okay, 1 subtract 0 is 1 subtract 0 is 1, 8 subtract 1 is 7, and 9 subtract 1 is 8. It would be 871. Got it? Look, when you add 1 plus 0 is 1, 7 plus 1 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So when you add them, it would be 981. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner, you have a test button. Let's just start with the test. Okay, I think that's the same I just did on the board. The missing number plus 110 equals 981. Yes, yes, this one. 870, that means the number you have to add is 871. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. 871 is the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 110 plus the missing number equals 867. So let me do it on board. 800, 110, 110 plus the missing number, and that equals 867. Okay, you are given one of the number and the sum of both the numbers. You have to find the missing number. So for missing number, what you have to do? You have to subtract the given number out of the sum. So just subtract 107 out of the 110 out of 867. Got it? So just subtract them. 7 subtract 0 is 7. 6 subtract 1 is 5, and 8 subtract 1 is 7. It would be 757. Got it? It would be 757. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, move on. Select the correct option and move on to the. Okay, the next one is 804. The missing number plus 278 plus missing number equals 804. 278 plus the missing number, and that equals 804. 4, I think. Let me just confirm. Yes, so you have to subtract the missing number out of the, you have to subtract the given number out of the sum. You have a chat button right below the um, video. If you know the answer, you can just write the answer in the chat box. Got it? Your participation is highly appreciated. Please, if you know the answer, write the answer in the chat box. Got it? Okay, 4 subtracted. We cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. So we have to borrow 1 from here. But here you have already a 0. Got it? You cannot borrow from 0. So you have to borrow 1 from here. Here you are left with 7. It makes 10 here. Now you can borrow 1 from the 10. And here you are left with 9. And it would be 14 here. Got it? So 14 subtract 8 is 6. 9 subtract 7 is 2. And 7 subtract 2 is 5. So it would be 526. That means if you add 526 to 8 278, it would be 604. Got it? You can check by adding 8 plus 6 is 14. Write 4 over here and carry 1. 7 8 9 10, it would be 0 and carry 1. So 5 6 7 and 8, it would be 804. Got it? Okay, just select the correct option and move on to the next question. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? I'm just moving on to the next topic. Just click on the back button so that we can on the next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is balance addition equations up to 3 digit. So let's start with balance addition equations up to 3 digit. Let me write the lesson name on the board and then I'll explain what you have to do. Let me just write it down. Balance addition equations up to 3 digits. Okay, let's start with an example. Let me write it down on board and then I'll explain. Okay, the first example is which number makes the statement true? Here you have 161 plus 202 and here you have 168 plus. Actually, you have to balance the equation. Balance equation means when you solve this equation, both of the sides are equal. That means balancing the equations. Got it? When you sum up both the numbers on the both sides, their sum must be equal. Got it? So just add the side you are given both the numbers. Just add 202 to 161. So it would be 2 plus 1 is 3, 6 plus 0 is 6 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So at this side you have 363. So this is the same case we just did the last topic. Now you have the sum, you have the one number, you have to find the missing one. So just subtract 168 out of the sum. So 363 subtract 168. Got it? Just subtract them. So we cannot subtract 3 out of 8. We have to borrow 1. It would be then 13. So 13 subtract 8 is 5. We cannot subtract 5 out of 6. So we have to borrow 1. So it would be 15. 15 subtract 6 is 9. And 2 subtract 1 is 1. That means the missing number is 195. You can check by adding. Just add 168 and 195. See, they are equal to 363. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 1 carry, 9 and 1 10 and 6 16, 6 1 carry, 1 2 and 3, it would be 363. See, both sides are equal. That means the missing number is 195. That balance the equation. Got it? It would be 195. So balancing equation means you have to find the number that when added to 168, the both sides of the equation are exactly equal. Got it? Let's do another example. If you have any question, you can ask the question in live chat button. I will answer your question. And if you know the answers, you can write the answers in the live chat box. But live chat box, your participation is highly appreciated. Got it? Okay, now at this left hand side, you have given both the numbers. Just add them. 2 plus 2 is 4. 5 plus 4 is 9, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So it would be 594 at this side. Here you have 382 and plus the missing number. Got it? So that's the same thing. You have a sum and a number missing. So just subtract the given number out of the sum. So you need to subtract 382 out of 594. Got it? 4 subtract 2 is 2, 9 subtract 8 is 1, and 5 subtract 3 is 2. That means when you add 212 to 382, it would be the same as 594. You can check by adding 2 plus 2 is 4, 8 plus 1 is 9, and 3 plus 2 is 5. See, both the sides are equal. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner, we have a test button. Let's just start with the test. Okay, let me write down the question on the board. Okay, the first one is 565 plus 293, and that equals the missing number plus 190. So what you have to do, you have to add the side where you are given both the numbers. Got it? Just add 565 and 293. Just add them. 5 plus 3 is 8. 9 plus 6 is 15. Write the 5 over here and carry the 1. 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 plus 1 is 8. So here the sum is 858. You have a missing number and again a number given. So you can find the given number by subtracting the number from the sum. Got it? Just subtract 190 out of 858. Got it? 8 subtract 0 is 8. You cannot subtract 5 out of 9, so you have to borrow 1 from here. It would be then 15. So 15 subtract 9 is 6, and 7 subtract 1 is 6. That means the missing number that is 668. You can check by adding both sides of the equation must be equal. Got it? Just add them and see if they are equal. 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 6 is 9 plus 6 is 15. Write the 5 here and carry 1. So it would be 6, 7, and 8. So it would be 815. See, both sides of the equation are exactly equal. That means 668 is the number that balances the equation. Got it? So the correct option is 668. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 865 plus 130 equals the missing number plus 419. So just add the side where you have both the buttons. Just add 130 to 865. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 6 plus 3 is 9, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So the sum at this side is 995. Got it? Now what you have to do? Now what you have to do? You have to subtract the given number out of the sum. Just subtract 419 out of 995. Got it? We cannot subtract 5 out of 9, so we need to borrow 1. It would be 15. 15 subtract 9 is 6. Here you are left with 8. 8 plus 1 is 8, subtract 1 is 7, and 9 subtract 4 is 5. That means the number that balances the equation is 576. You can just confirm by adding. Just add them. That is just for the confirmation. 9 plus 6 is 15, 5, 1, 7, 8, and 9, and 5 plus 4 is 9. That means the both sides are equal. They would be 995. Got it? If you know the answer, please use the live chat button. Write the answer in the chat. And if you have any question, just write the question in the chat button. In the chat box, I will answer your question. Got it? So let's select the correct option and move on to the next question. The next one is 500. The correct option is 576. Okay, the next one is 565 plus the missing number, and that equals 218 plus 636. 636. So it would be just add 636 and 218. So 636 and plus 218 is just add them. 8 plus 6 is 14. Right over here and carry 1. So it would be 3 plus 1, 4 and 1, 5. And 6 plus 2 is 8. It would be 858.